Well, the clocks went forward last night, so I'm out for a cycle this morning. I'm expecting it to be relatively quiet. Hopefully. See what the roads are like. Still don't know what route I'm going to go, so we'll see how I feel. It's freezing. It's like really warm this afternoon. But yeah, this is a game. I think I just need to cycle for a bit before I can properly wake up. Had 2 coffees. Good sleep last night. Hopefully be out for a few hours. Enjoy this. Right. I think I'll head down Buchanan Street and see what that's like. Great morning. Right, I think I'm going to go the A77 down towards Kilmarnock. I'll head towards the South City Way and then up and out that way. I'll be putting my jacket on in a sec because it is so cold. To stop for a minute there to put my jacket on because it's absolutely freezing. That's me moving again. Feeling a lot better now actually. Stunning up at the park, absolutely loved that. And well, I didn't feel too good when I left the house today. definitely starting to feel a lot better, and that's me only been really cycling for about half an hour, stop starting. This is better. Get away from the traffic. I've just climbed that hill, so I'm slightly out of breath. So as I says, it's good to get away from the city for a wee couple of hours. And this road, this is cracking. Did this years ago, got a cycle path at the side of the road, segregated, should I say. So I tend to come down here quite a lot, just because you know you're kind of getting to cycle a good distance in relative safety. What I can do with this cycle, if I want to, I can go right through Kilmarnock towards Irvine, create a big loop of it, and then head up Lochwinnock way. I guess about 64 miles or something. It'll be long now until the jacket comes off, the bloody hat under the helmet, that needs to come off as well. But nothing more to say for us at this moment in time. I think it's time for a bite to eat. I've been fasting since last night, and I feel like I've been duped because the clocks went forward, but I've no. I just didn't start fasting until late. Anyway, so I've been running on empty for the last couple of hours. It's time to get some grub. Not that I've got much, a couple of bars and a banana, but that'll do. So yeah, had something to eat, feeling fresher, feeling, what do you call it, fueled up. So, gonna go over, this is just a stunner of a day. Still loads of it left. It's good. The hill ahead that I'm going to climb. It's nothing major. Stopped here to admire the view, and it's just a trash dump. I think people just stop their car, enjoy the view, and then empty the contents of their car and drive away. Scumbags. Absolute scumbags. Can't stand it. Right, anyway, so been up at the wind farm. Didn't go into the wind farm. I think I'll head back to Glasgow now.